excited na po ako and honored to be here with everybody tonight. I want to celebrate this night with you all. Can I hear one big scream for Songjoong? Ayan, o diba? Feel ko na pala talaga ito, ano? At excited na kayo makita si Songjoong live in the flesh. Isn't that right, IC? Alright.
Hello?
Yes!
Ayan! Take two! Ayan, annyeonghaseyo! My name is Icy Mendoza. Nandito ako with all the Songjoong fans on this section of the MOA Arena. And just like MJ, I am very much thrilled because we've waited for years to witness Songjoong live in Manila. Excited na ba kayo? Yes! Ang wild na crowd dito at this time. Kamusta naman dyan, Maring Jake Gavez?
Mabuhay, Philippines! At syempre, hindi magpapatalo